This is a Sears Kenmore model 1813. It is an all-metal 1.2 amp machine with both built-in and stitches and the capability to use cams. It's a very, very clean machine cosmetically. Just a little bit of paint wear here on the front edge. Other than that, it looks pretty much like a brand new machine. It has both regular and stretch or reverse stitches built in, 12 total stitches, or it uses the cams here under the top panel. It does come with a set of cams, including both regular and stretch, as well as a box of accessories, which includes buttonholer, chain stitch attachments, stretch foot, zipper foot, screwdrivers, needles, a whole bunch of different stuff in there, and the original instruction manual. This machine is double needle capable. Every pattern can be sewn with the double needle, and there's a double needle included. Very nice machine, tabletop ready, or it will go in the Kenmore carrying case or cabinet. And we'll start out with just a regular straight stitch. And this, like many other Kenmores, has lots of room under the presser foot. Probably 6 to 7 quarters will go under the foot, and that doesn't necessarily mean that it will sew something that big, but it means that that's less hassle for you to get your project underneath the foot. Lots of lift. It is a super high shank machine. It uses 15x1 needles and class 15 bobbins. Both bobbins and needles can be bought anywhere as simple as Walmart, or of course you can buy them online. Now to switch over to the built-in stretch, you just turn the center dial. And of course your length of your stitch is adjustable by the short, medium, long setting on the dial. Now I'm going to put in a cam. And we'll do a quick one. This is one of the regular cams. Switch over to cam setting. And your length and your width on cam patterns are adjustable, which is not the case with all machines. But this one it is. The banner pattern. Very cool. Now I'm going to put in a stretch cam. L-shaped pattern, and you must have it set on the stretch setting to do the stretch stitch, even though it is a cam. You can also adjust the length of your pattern using the short, medium, long setting. As I did there, that's what I was doing. As I said, this is an all-metal machine. No plastic gears or parts. Go back to a straight stitch. Do 6 layers of leather, and I'm using a size 16 needle. We're still in stretch. Regular and pull it through. Nice and smooth on 6 layers of leather, or denim. This is 12 layers of cotton. Turn it back through there. Nice balanced stitch. And this is 3 layers of garment leather. Nice consistent stitch on leather. Just beautiful. And that, oh, here's something else. This is like a thick cotton. You can actually hear it. That is the Sears Kenmore model 1813 cam machine.